This compound allows us to rewrite damaged DNA in real time. It's the future of medicine.
Try adjusting the gravitational constant here.
That aligns the accretion disk. Look at the energy output.
This resolution is unacceptable! We must vote now! Order! We demand a re-vote!